In today's video, I'll show you the easiest way to make custom clothing for FiveM. First things first, you want to get the Open FiveM application. Simply search or head over to the openiv.com, and then you also want to get the clothing templates WinRAR. After opening up or downloading both of the application, just open up the OpenIV installation folder right here, and then you want to install it onto your computer. From there, just open up OpenIV and then select GTA 5. It will then set up right here, so you can just look for your GTA 5 game. After opening up OpenIV, let's head over to the downloaded clothing templates, extract it onto your computer once more, and basically from here, you can then go ahead and open it up. And then you want to drag it inside the OpenIV application. Double click on it, and basically from here you then want to look for the clothing that you want to add it. So let's say that I want to add it some suit. I'll just go ahead and click on this model, and I'll be able to see the model of the clothing right here. Now we have this big logo that we have. Now to edit this, simply go back to the OpenIV once again, and then you want to look for the second folder or the second file, which is going to be this one. And basically from here we can then see the entirety of the design. Click on the export selected, and then you want to select the export location. In my case, I'm going to export it to my desktop, and then you want to save this as a PNG file. So in my case, I'll name this suit GTA 5. Click on save, and then it's going to be on the desktop right here. From there, let's then head over to a website called Photopea, and then you can just drag your file onto the Photopea website, and basically we can then start editing. Double click on background, look for color overlay, and then you want to look for the color that you want to use. So in my case, I'm going to use yellow, and of course you want to make sure that you have chosen color right here. So let's click on OK, and then what you want to do is to press I on your keyboard, and then you want to click on the yellow itself, and then you want to use the brush tool, and you want to brush over the designs that you want to edit. So from here, this is where you can add your own custom logos and more. So basically, let me just erase this real quick. So let's say that I want to add a simple logo. Let's navigate through the text option. I'll click on this page right here or in this section, and then I'm going to add a simple logo called Kiss Me. Of course, once again, you can edit this the way you want to. If you want to make your text bigger, you can just simply do so right here. And to make things easier, let's just go ahead and save this file. After designing, click on File, click on the Export button, and then you want to export your file as a PNG. Click on Save, and then you simply want to drag this onto your desktop. From here, click on the Replace button, navigate back to the GTA 5 or GTA IV folder. In here, you want to make sure that you're inside edit mode, click yes, and then once again, you want to open up the second folder. Click on the Replace button, and then you want to replace it with the file that we just made. So it's going to be this one right here. Click on the Save button, and basically if we open up the first design once more, it will now add that specific clothing. So basically you can just do this for all of the clothings inside the clothing texture pack, and from there, that's the easiest way to simply design your own clothing on FiveM. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.